Horror Queen. What is your take on this judging? You won an award for one movie and this is your fourth horror movie.
Actually, this isn't horror po, so this is more thriller. Yeah. So, I guess, nakakaisang horror pa lang. Dalawa na pala. Nocturno came out na. So, I don't think I could call myself a horror queen, but also, ano siya, parang ano siya, masarap sa pakiramdam na at least, you know, I'm doing my roles correctly. And nabibigyan ko ng justice yung mga characters ko sa mga naging horror films ko po. But at the same time, parang ayoko din kasing mabox sa isang genre. So, yun, so I'm super grateful na na-appreciate po nila. But yun, parang it's too early to say na I'm a horror queen. Dalawa pala.
Daghang salamat.